Number 7. Entegra Cornerstone. Craving the ultimate RV experience? Look no further than the Entegra Cornerstone, a behemoth of luxury on wheels built for the discerning traveler. Opulent leather furnishings, hardwood cabinetry, and expansive windows offering panoramic views. Multiple floor plans accommodate up to 6 people, each with private sleeping quarters and lavish bathrooms. The chef's kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances, granite countertops, and enough storage to satisfy even the most ambitious cook. A 10-inch touchscreen controls everything from lighting to climate, and a 360-degree camera system ensures smooth maneuvering. Powering this palace is a mighty Cummins 605 horsepower engine offering a comfortable cruising speed of 65 miles per hour and a range of up to 800 miles. The Cornerstone starts at a cool $500,000, with upgrades pushing the price tag even higher. Yet, for those seeking the ultimate in comfort, convenience, and adventure, the Cornerstone is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement. Number 6. Volkner Mobil Performance Perfection. Forget bulky RVs. The Perfection is a sleek 10.8-meter marvel that prioritizes both luxury and agility. Its most jaw-dropping feature, the patented central garage, cleverly tucked between the axles, offering ample space for a Mini Cooper or motorcycle, perfect for spontaneous detours. Swing open the door and enter a world of meticulously crafted living space. High-gloss cabinetry, plush leather seating, and expansive slide-outs create a living space that rivals high-end apartments. The kitchen is equipped with high-quality appliances, while the spa-like bathroom features heated floors and a rainfall shower. Technology shines with a central control system for lighting, climate, and entertainment. Solar panels and a powerful generator ensure off-grid independence, while its air suspension and Mercedes-Benz chassis guarantee a smooth ride, even on winding roads. Speed may not be its priority, but the Perfection cruises comfortably at 65 miles per hour with a range exceeding 500 miles. The price tag? A cool $1.2 million, reflecting the unmatched engineering and unparalleled luxury experience. Number 5. KABE Tower 880. Towering above the competition, the KABE Tower 880 redefines luxury living on wheels. This Swedish giant boasts 2 spacious floors, offering unmatched living space and unparalleled comfort. Private bedrooms, a full-size bathroom with a walk-in shower, and even a dedicated laundry room. A fully equipped kitchen with a convection oven and a dishwasher. Unwind in the living area complete with a fireplace, a surround sound entertainment system, and a pop-up roof terrace with breathtaking views. While not built for speed demons, the Tower 880 cruises comfortably at 80 km per hour, thanks to its powerful engine. Its impressive 1,000-kilometer range ensures you can explore vast distances without worrying about refueling. Owning this Titan comes with a hefty price tag starting at a staggering $250,000. Yet for those seeking an unparalleled motorhome experience, the Tower 880 offers a unique blend of spaciousness, luxury, and comfort. Number 4. RC12M Motorhome. Smooth overland yachts. The RC12M reigns supreme in luxury motorhomes. Think spacious living quarters, top-of-the-line technology, and enough power to conquer any highway. This 12-meter behemoth built on a Volvo FH chassis boasts a commanding presence. Inside, 4 massive slide-outs expand the living area to rival a luxurious apartment. Opulent leather furnishings, high-end finishes, and ample storage create a haven of comfort. The chef's kitchen features meal appliances, a dishwasher, and an oven, perfect for gourmet creations on the go. Relax in the state-of-the-art bathroom with its infinity sink and spacious shower. A central control system manages everything from lighting to climate, and a 7-meter awning provides shade for outdoor living. A 540 horsepower engine provides ample power for cruising speeds around 65 miles per hour, and the impressive fuel tank promises a decent range. The RC12M starts at a staggering 650,000 pounds, reflecting its bespoke craftsmanship and unparalleled features. But for those who demand the best, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a testament to luxurious living on the open road. Number 3. Prevost H3-45 VIP. Forget standard RVs. The Prevost H3-45 VIP redefines luxury travel for the elite. This behemoth built on a Volvo chassis isn't just spacious, it's a mobile fortress of comfort and security. Favored by celebrities and dignitaries alike, step inside and find yourself in an unrivaled world of luxury. Luxurious leather upholstery, handcrafted cabinetry, and panoramic windows create a living area fit for royalty. The private master suite boasts a king-size bed, en-suite bathroom with heated floors and a walk-in shower, and even a personal workspace. Entertain guests in the dedicated lounge with a wet bar and premium sound system. Technology takes center stage with a fully integrated system, controlling lighting, climate, entertainment, and even window shades. Stay connected with satellite internet, unwind with a premium sound system, and enjoy a movie night on the retractable 75-inch TV, while powerful engines deliver smooth rides at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. Number 2. Element Palazzo Superior. Forget conventional motorhomes. The Element Palazzo Superior transcends expectations. This Italian masterpiece marries automotive might with yachting luxury, creating a truly unique way to explore the world. Step inside and prepare to be awestruck. Sleek carbon fiber curves and a panoramic windshield hint at the futuristic design, while the spacious interior feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. A 4-meter sofa invites lounging, while a bar wine cabinet and ice maker cater to impromptu gatherings. A chef's dream. The open-plan kitchen has plenty of storage and high-end appliances. A central digital cockpit reminiscent of a jet fighter showcases everything from navigation to entertainment, while a hidden touchscreen controls lighting, climate, and even the awning. Relax in the spa-like bathroom with its rainfall shower and heated floors, or retreat to the master bedroom featuring a king-size bed and exquisite Italian linens. Built for performance, the Palazzo Superior utilizes a powerful engine, offering a comfortable cruising speed of 65 miles per hour and a decent range exceeding 600 miles. Exclusivity comes at a cost. This rolling masterpiece starts at a staggering $3 million, with customizations pushing the price even further. Number 1. Anderson Mobil. Anderson Mobil crafts custom havens on wheels, catering to your every desire. The number of rooms, kitchen, and bathrooms are entirely your choice. Embrace comfort with a choice of cozy 2-bedroom retreat or a sprawling 4-bedroom palace, complete with dedicated workspaces, entertainment areas, and even private balconies. Anderson's meticulous craftsmanship ensures unparalleled comfort, with premium materials and finishes creating an ambience akin to a high-end estate. Imagine effortlessly navigating scenic highways at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour, with a range exceeding 500 miles fueled by cutting-edge technology. Starting at a cool $1 million, each Anderson Mobil is a unique masterpiece, a testament to your discerning taste and desire for unparalleled adventure. So, which luxurious motorhome stole your wanderlust today? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching.